Hi friends, I am Dr. Sharma here. Today I am discussing a JEE Advanced problem which was asked in 2025 Mathematics Advanced paper. And the question is like this, which is displayed on your screen. Let R denote the set of all real numbers f of x equal to a1 plus 10x plus a2 x square plus a3 x cube plus x4. Similarly, gx is given b1 plus 3x plus b2 x square plus b3 x cube plus x4. hx equal to f of x plus 1 minus g of x plus 2. Here it is given as f of x is not equal to g of x. Okay, for every x belongs to R, and we have been asked the coefficient of x cube. So we have been asked the coefficient of x cube. Okay, so let us understand the question first. It is important to understand the underlying concept. F of x is given as a1 plus 10x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus x4. Similarly, हम लोग g of x लिख लेते हैं. The given condition is f of x is not equal to g of x. f of x minus g of x cannot be 0. इसका मतलब यही हुआ that f of x minus g of x cannot be 0. Now, what is the condition? H of x equal to f of x plus 1 minus g of x plus 2. f of x plus 1 को क्या लिखेंगे? a1 plus 10 of x plus 1 plus a2 x plus 1 whole square plus a3 x plus 1 whole cube plus x plus 1 power 4. g of x plus 2 को उसी तरह से हम लिख लेंगे. Now if I see f of x plus 1 minus g of x plus 2 equal to, अब हम क्या करें? Only those part which are giving me x cube, because हमसे क्या पूछा है? x cube की पावर का कोफिशिएंट पूछा है. सो a1 माइनस b1 हमें कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ पे. ये भी कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है, बिकॉज आई नीड नॉट टू गेट एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज हमें क्या चाहिए? एक्स क्यूब का कोफिशिएंट. ओके, so when I find my f of x plus 1 minus g of x plus 2, which is what? a3 x plus 1 whole cube minus b3 x plus 2 whole cube plus x plus 1 raised to the power 4 minus x plus 2 raised to the power 4. These are the only 4 terms which I need for my getting coefficient of x cube. If you see, for x cube purpose, I can open it x plus 1 का whole cube को, और यहाँ भी आप इसको खोल लीजिए. What you will get? x cube and x cube here, where x cube can be taken common, a3 minus b3 x cube. Rest of the term हम छोड़ देंगे यहाँ पे. We will simply leave these terms because we don't need them. Similarly, x plus 1 raised to the power 4 आप binomial theorem से solve कर लीजिए. So you will get 4c3 x cube, that is the term which involves x cube. Similarly, x plus 2 whole power 4 will be 4c3 2 into x cube. Now if you see, it comes a3 minus b3 bracket x cube plus 4c3 minus 4c3 into 2 bracket closed into x cube. Now here एक चीज आप ध्यान से देखेंगे कि किसी भी क्यूबिक, in any case when you really see in this f of x plus 1 minus g of x plus 2, आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे x की पावर 4 आएगा और यहाँ भी x की पावर 4 आएगा. सो x की पावर 4 एक दूसरे को कैंसिल करेंगे. सो जो भी अंडरलाइन एक्सप्रेशन होगा वो क्या होगा? एक क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल. और ये क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल में आप देखेंगे किसी भी क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल में मिनिमम एक रियल वैल्यू जरूर होगी जो x एक्सिस को काटेगी. That means there will be at least one value where the polynomial would become 0. So in that case, but the question में जो underline जो condition है वो क्या है? f of x minus g of x is a non-zero. So what will we get as an outcome? The outcome is a3 minus b3 must be 0. So if a3 minus b3 is 0, then the only coefficient that is left here is this, which is 4 minus 8 into x cube. That means we will get minus 4x cube. So if we see, coefficient of x cube is actually minus 4. So C is the correct answer in this question. So in case you want to study at Future Makers for your JEE and NEET programs, our team is very well equipped to guide you in this direction.